Hello everyone, welcome back to UChat YouTube channel. So today we are going to tackle a common issue that can be very frustrating when you are using UChat platform. That is the slow loading speed. Okay, so if you ever found yourself that waiting for the page to load, this video is for you. Okay, at the end of this video, you will know exactly what steps take to help us to solve issues for you. Okay, so first of all, we need to know that which domain they are using, because we have white label partners. Sometimes partners have their own domain, right? So if this slow speed happening, if you are one of UChat partners, we want you to test to log in the same workspace and then to see if there is any speed difference. Okay, because UChat and UChat partners are using different setups, so we will know if that would be the reason is cause the speed is slow. Okay, this is the first step. Second step is about what type of the pages is slow. Okay, sometimes it can be, for example, if you are going to UChat dashboard, this kind of the pages is one type of the page. Are these page loading slow or not? Okay, and the second, if you go to each one of the bot, there are complex pages like the flow builders. Okay, and if the flow builder is loading is slow when you are editing the flows, is that a slow or not? Okay, and also live chat pages as well, because live chat is huge traffic, a lot of changes is happening in real time. So what type of the pages are slow? And also there are tools, settings, those type of the pages are normally doesn't change a lot. So are those pages loading normally or not? Okay, so basically we will need details, what page, what action you are doing that is slow. Okay, that's the second detailed information we will need. The last type of the detailed information is very important, that will be very relevant for us to solve these issues for you. Okay, so we would suggest you use Chrome browser. Okay, in the Chrome browser, you will find, let me see, where are those? I don't know. So you will need to know, okay, it's in views, and there is a developer. Okay, there is a developer, and then there is a developer tools. So if you open the developer tools, your browser will be breaking up into separate windows. Okay, in this window, you need to go to, there is different tabs on top. You need to click the network. Okay, and then you just reload the page. You will see everything is happening. It will show you, okay, what kind of the request we are making and how long it takes for that request is coming back. Okay, in this time you can sort them from from the slowest to the fast. Okay, so basically you can sort them from higher value to small values, and then it will show you, okay, how long it takes to load each individual resource. Okay, so basically if you are the page is loading slow for you, we will need to know what type of the request is slow and how slow is that request. Okay, and this kind of the information, if you are going to contact UChat support, and we need you to send us, whether it's Loom videos, or you can take very detailed screenshot, so that we can see the request, the name of the request, and how long it takes for that request to finish. Okay, yeah, that's the video for today. And if you ever feel feel like the platform is slow, we will need you to provide as detailed information as possible, because most of these slow issues are related to where you are accessing from. Okay, it's a geographic related issue. most likely we cannot replicate that issue from your side. So we are much more reliant on the information you provide to our support. Okay, so that's the video for today, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.